You might be wondering, does this really work for anyone? The answer is yes. Genius Wave is based on scientific studies about neuroplasticity and brainwave frequencies. It's designed to adapt to individual needs, offering unique benefits to each user. And the best part? It comes with a 60-day guarantee. If you don't see results, you can request a full refund. Plus, when you purchase the program, you also get exclusive bonuses to help you maximize your experience. One of those bonuses is a guide that helps you identify the best times of day to listen for the most effective results. Another bonus teaches you how to combine Genius Wave with simple habits like breathing and visualization to enhance the outcome. It's clear this experience was designed to be practical, flexible, and truly fit into your lifestyle. If you're ready to transform your mind and your life, don't wait. Click the link in the description and discover how Genius Wave can be the catalyst for the change you've been searching for. Remember, big journeys start with small steps, and this 7-second audio could be your first step toward unlocking your full potential. This isn't about miracles. It's about science applied in a simple, powerful way. And if you've already tried everything but still feel like something is missing, this might just be the missing piece. You don't have to change your whole routine or dedicate hours every day. Just 7 seconds can begin the path to a new version of you. The decision is in your hands, or better yet, in your ears. If this video brought you value, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more transformative content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions about Genius Wave, and share this video with a friend who might also be looking for a positive change in their life. We grow more when we share what works, and sometimes all a friend needs to get out of a rut is this exact video that you're about to send. Your action could be the turning point in someone's life. The journey of self-discovery and personal growth can be challenging, but tools like Genius Wave make that path clearer and more accessible. Don't underestimate the power of small daily actions. Sometimes all it takes is 7 seconds to spark a deep transformation. Believe in yourself, take that first step, and allow yourself to live the life you truly deserve. There's no perfect moment to change, just the decision to act. And now might be the exact moment when everything starts to make sense.